I love playing the drums, and I'm always trying to improve. That's where technique comes in. Technique is like tools we can add to our toolbox to help us play the music that we love even better. So let's start by getting the sticks in our hands, and we're gonna grab them just like you would shake somebody's hand. So pretty loosely in both hands, and we don't wanna shake their hands by their fingertips. We don't wanna shake their hands by their elbows. Just somewhere kind of towards the back, just like that. So let's kind of get a rhythm going together. Both sticks at the same time. I want you to notice how my fingers are helping the stick move, and my wrist is also helping the stick move. My elbows won't really get involved until I want to maybe accent some notes and play louder. So for now, just keep them right up in the air with the focus on the wrists and the fingers. All right? We want to keep our motion smooth, and we want to keep it vertical, up and down the whole time. We don't want it to be side to side. All right? Let's go every other hand now. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Awesome. Now let's move it down to the snare drum. 2, ready, go. Now to the tom-tom. Back to the snare. Into the tom-tom again. And one more time at the snare drum. 3 and 4 and... Awesome. So let's try that a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Into the tom-tom. Snare drum. Tom-tom. And let's do a crash. You can come up with a lot of these exercises yourself using different drums, and especially listening to the songs that you're playing and seeing what kind of tools you might need in your toolbox to play that song even better.